Hi guys, welcome to my workbench on my Paraset I built a couple of years ago, and I have a coil in there, but it's not actually properly the coil that I should have. Instead of that I should have 636 Henry or something like that, the original Paraset. I didn't have that coil in that time, and I put probably in this space here, those two little tiny screws here. That's where it's mounted. I mounted a 12 volt transformer, but the set was working, but it's not working as it should. Anyway, not this. The signal comes out of it was very low, so I am in the process of winding a new one. So I will get that transformer out and put that coil in there, or choke actually, and I will stop the camera and I will show you the part where I winded the coil. And I will open them up and then turn them over and you can have a look inside, alright? Welcome back guys. As you can see, there's the other side, the inside of that Paraset I built several years ago. As you can see, there's that's a transmitting coil, receiving coil, and that's the transformer I'm all about. I'm going to replace that one with a choke from 36 Henry. I'm winding in a minute. It will take a while, but there again you can see what I've done a couple of years earlier. And actually I did find that on the internet. I think several people before me did built that Paraset. Well, everything is in order, just to get this coil back into place, and I will test this little Paraset. So I will move on now and we'll show you the other part, okay? Welcome back everybody. You can see my winding machine is turning, and I'm in the process of making that choke. That's going to be a while, I think. It's very slow. I think it's a couple of thousand turns on there will do the trick. So I'm at 291 turns, so I'm far off from the end. But there again, patience is here the business, so I will proceed until the end and I'll show you how I put them together. Well, there's not much to see actually, and then we will remove that transformer from that Paraset and put that one in place, and I will test then if that Paraset will function as it should. So anyway guys, I will shut off the camera now. I will come back to you when it is that far. Welcome back guys. Anyway, we are in the process of finishing the choke, the coil that I want to replace onto the Paraset. You can see on the right hand side for you the little turning coil, and we are at 3524 turns. So we're finishing this up, and I think it will be another 30 turns, and then I will shut them down and I will remove the coil, and then I will finish this coil here. That's actually it's not in focus, but try to get them there. that's for an output transformer. I'm mining this one for my radio, and I will replace that for the output transformer what is in there. So I discovered that it's not exactly the self-inductance it should be, or the self-inductance, the impedance what it should be. So I don't want to stress that 6v6 too much. So and that's why I'm winding this new transformer. So I will do that as well today. And we are close to the end now. Yep, so look. So it's about at the end. A wire is here. You don't know you can see it. I don't think so. At this side. So it's about 2 or 3 mils. But it has to go 35, 45. So we are near the end. I will switch them off in a sec. And I will. I think we're there. One stop. One turn more. That's it. There you go, guys. We have 3,548 turns on this little coil. So let's see how that works out on our Paraset. So I will shut the camera down and I will come back to you when I put that coil in there and connect them up. See, in the past I built little receivers. I was not able to demonstrate really how they worked. I'm going to change all that, and so very soon I will construct myself a little amplifier so I can connect them up with, and then I can demonstrate you that kind of receiver, and that goes also for this Paraset. So that's really trouble if you don't have any have all the equipment except that amplifier. So we can say, well, then we make a little IC amplifier, and we do it with that. No, I won't do that because of the impedance. So I'll make a nice valve amplifier and see if we can get off with that. So anyway, so I shut down and I'll see you later, okay? Hello everybody. Yeah, as you can see, I finished the job, I made the bracket, and I put everything, connected everything up again. So my 12 volts transformer is down here, and my choke is down there. So I made it up all, and the next thing I'm going to do is to connect them up and see if it will work. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Unfortunately, I have no connection that I can show you, let you hear that it will work. At a later date I will build myself a small amplifier, so who has the possibility to connect that up, and you can hear everything I built. So anyway, that's very unfortunate, but there again, there's nothing I can do about it at the moment, so I have nothing handy to let you hear. So anyway, I will come back to you and I will tell you what happened, okay? Hello guys, welcome back. I will try to let you hear. Well, you can hear him. There's a Frenchman anyway, so the set is working, and it's working well actually. The only thing we have to look at is the coil itself, the reception coil. I think that's not optimal, so I have to sit down and have a recalculation of that coil to get the optimum out of it. So the problem with the schematic is there are no specific data on there. So how about this diameter of that coil, for instance? So we can be off there. We have the amount of turns on there, but it's probably not working properly. So this is another 40 meters, and that's it's working well. So so I have to have a go at that coil once more. And you should never give up. If you melt something, you should never give up to make something that it works optimal. And so anyway, guys, see, my battery is low. I'm gonna shut down this video, and I'll see you next time on my next project. Alright?